Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to study about a linear search. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so basically what is a linear search? Linear search is one of the searching technique. It's one of the basic searching technique. Okay, uh, if let's assume you want to find one number in that array, then we use a linear search. But this is a very basic searching technique. There is a many searching technique like a binary search, bubble sort. There is a many techniques. We are studying more about this in further lectures. But today we are going to study about a linear search. Then talk about that. So firstly, I create one array. Give the elements like mm, three. Okay. And assume I want this element like 34. Okay, my target element is like 34. Then how to code that? Firstly, I store this 34 target element in the one target integer. Here, target is equal to what? 34. Okay. Now we create one function for the linear search. Uh, I give the pass array and target. Okay, cool. Give different name because and my my function name and my file name should not be equal. Give like search. Okay, and I create one function static, and basically it says the elements are present, the target element are present in an array or not. So it returns what? It returns boolean. Okay, boolean search and one target element. Cool. So बेसिकली हमें क्या करना है कि हमको 34 एलिमेंट है, जो एलिमेंट टारगेट एलिमेंट वो ढूंढना है हमें इस एरे में कि ये है क्या नहीं, बस उतना बताओ। ठीक है। सो फर्स्टली व्हाट वी डू, आई वी क्रिएट वन फॉर लूप टू इटरेट ऑल दिस एलिमेंट्स, राइट। एक हर एक एलिमेंट को देखने के लिए हम एक फॉर लूप चलाएंगे जो वो पूरा एलिमेंट्स देखे हमारे सारे। तो आई क्रिएट लाइक integer I is equal to 0, I is less than array dot length. The people who new in this course, please watch the previous lectures. Okay, I gave the link in description. Okay, so what this for loop done do is a for loop to check all the elements. Check all the elements. If that 34 target element are found, then it's return true. Okay, then I say like if my what array of ith index is equal to target element, then what? Return, oops, return true, otherwise return false. Good. And one more case is there. If my array is empty, then directly return false. Like if my arr dot length is equal to 0, then directly return false. Nice. And I store this result in boolean answer and print this answer. Then my target element is what? 36. Let's see what you true or false. True. The element are present in the our list or array, you can say. Uh, yeah. Let's give 100. 100 is not contained in that array, so it should be written false. False. Nice. If it is not visible, I increase the size. Okay. Oh, it's too big. I hope it is visible now. Okay. तो नेक्स्ट इज हमें क्या करना है कि हमें हमें इतना तो पता चला कि ये टारगेट एलिमेंट ये एरे लिस्ट में प्रेजेंट है क्या नहीं, ये रिटर्न कर रहा है ट्रू या फॉल्स। तो हमें एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम लिखना है जो इंडेक्स नंबर फाइंड करे। मतलब मेरे को अगर 56 नंबर चाहिए रहेगा इस एरे लिस्ट में, तो वो रिटर्न करे कि वो 56 नंबर कौन से इंडेक्स नंबर पे है करके। तो मैं टारगेट आई गिव लाइक 56, ओके, एंड I just change its type integer because I want the index number. Okay. I want the index number. If size is, then return -1. If that element are not in the list, then return -1. And if that element are in a list, then return the index number, right? The index number, which is I क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो आई जो है वो लेंथ तक जा रहा है, मतलब पूरा एरे लिस्ट चेक कर रहा है, एरे एरे चेक कर रहा है। ओके, तो एरे चेक कर रहा है, समझो अभी समझो 3 पे आया, आई इज इक्वल टू 3, एरे ऑफ, सॉरी, sorry for that. Where I am, so it's written the index, and if not found, then return -1. Easy stuff. Okay. My target is 56 and at a position 0 1 2, so it should return 2. Okay, very easy. Yeah, I hope you clear this. And some concept I want to tell you about time time complexity. uh, I will show you one image basically I downloaded yesterday. Yes, so this is a big O of n of linear search is a time complexity. I will explain you what is this binary search we are studying in the next lecture. Okay, तो हम आपको बता दो पहले टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी होता क्या है. Time complexity of linear search is big O of n in worst case. Okay, so what is that? Big O of n मतलब n is a number of comparisons you do. समझो अभी मेरे को समझो 100 चाहिए, ठीक है, 100 इस लिस्ट में नहीं है, राइट? तो ये क्या रिटर्न करेगा -1, बट ये 100 है क्या नहीं चेक करने के लिए पूरा का पूरा एरे चेक करेगा. सो it is not convenient, it's take a more time. The more comparison takes more time, is written -1, right? So in a worst case, there's a big O of n, n is a comparison, number of comparison, worst case is big O of n of linear search. What is the best case? Big O of 1. Why 1? Let us consider I want the 12. Okay, I want only 12. I run this, it returns index 0. it's written index 0, right? How much number of comparison they do? Only one, because the first element of the array is my target element. So in the best case, time complexity is big O of 1. What is the average case? Another nice question. The average case is, but what is the time complexity? The time complexity मतलब क्या होता है कि is give the upper bound. Okay. We can we will discuss more about this in a time complexity, space complexity. Space complexity is means it's take extra space to run or compile. We will talk more in a further lectures. We have a separate lectures for the time complexity, space complexity and all. So for now, just take an idea what is that. Okay? N divided by 2 is average case. Okay. So this is the average case, n divided by 2. What is, how is average case? Because let's consider my target element is 56. How much comparison they do? 0, 1, 2, 3. The element of array is 5. Total element is 5. Divide by 2. Is concurrently give you 2, because it's 2.5 is a 2 in an integer. Okay. The average case. Note this time complexity, and yeah, I think this is pretty much about it. uh, Now just let's take some questions. क्वेश्चंस में क्या करेंगे, एक काम करेंगे, एक स्ट्रिंग लेंगे और स्ट्रिंग के अंदर एक कैरेक्टर है क्या नहीं वो फाइंड करेंगे. तो या str s dot. Yes, we yeah, let's see. व्हाट मुझे क्या करना है, एक स्ट्रिंग लेना है, स्ट्रिंग के अंदर वो कैरेक्टर प्रेजेंट है क्या नहीं वो दिखाना है. सो ओके, string name, let's take my name Akshay. Okay, आपको तो ये पता होगा what is a string. String is a collection of a character. I hope you know this. Please watch previous lectures if you don't know, because मैंने सब कुछ बेसिक से पढ़ाया हुआ है और बहुत बड़े बड़े लेक्चर है, आई नो दैट, बट मैंने कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया है कि सब कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करके रखे. तो गो एंड वॉच इट and make sure you like, share and subscribe that. Okay, so yeah, this is my string, and I want to find h in string, like character target is equal to h. Okay, the character right in a single colon. This all basics are covered in previous lectures. Please go and watch if you don't know. And all this how I've made a functions, all these lectures are already recorded and uploaded. Please go and watch. Why this is a static? Because my main function is static. If I don't give the start static here, then I can't call in the main function this function. Okay, so please go and watch. Okay, let's move to this question. If my target is h, then I go to the string s, I pass my name and what, target. Okay, so basically what e what function returns, it returns the index or it's present or not. Let's return the index. Okay, like static integer as string search. What is that? Is string name and character target. So it returns, basically what it returns, it returns index of the this target character. तो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस, एक बात तो आपको सबसे क्लियर होना चाहिए कि इज लाइक है जो है स्ट्रिंग कितने कैरेक्टर है, 1 2 3 4 5 6, द लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग इज 6, इधर इज 6 कैरेक्टर, इट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 इंडेक्स, hope you know that it's 0 1 2 3 4 5, goes like this. Okay, so मुझे क्या करना है कि स्ट्रिंग से मुझे गो थ्रू करना है, तो मैं ऑब्वियसली गो थ्रू करना है तो फॉर लूप यूज़ करूँगा. फॉर लूप इंटीज I is equal to 0 and I is less than name dot length and what I plus plus this stuff, right? ठीक है, मुझे गो थ्रू किया. If my you know if my that if my name at character at index number I is equal to target, then what, return I. Hope you know that character at I. In a strings, if you want this index character, then input that index number here. It's a character at which position? Character at 0th position. What is that? It's a. Okay, character at second position. What is that? This is S. It's like start from 0 1 2. I hope you know that. Please clear your basics. Watch previous lecture. I say it again and again. Okay, so firstly I rename this, right click, where is the rename, yeah, rename to index. Okay, so you get more clear in that. Okay, अगर अगर मेरा वो कैरेक्टर स्ट्रिंग में प्रेजेंट होगा तो उसका इंडेक्स नंबर आएगा, अगर नहीं होगा तो रिटर्न व्हाट, रिटर्न -1, जो हमने पहले भी किया है. ठीक है, तो हमारा टारगेट एच एच कैरेक्टर कौन से पोजीशन पे है, लाइक 0 1 2 3. ओके, इट्स 3. सो आई होप इट्स 3. ओ, प्रिंट करना तो रह गया, तो मैं इसको पहले इंटीजर आंसर इज इक्वल टू दैट. आई विल प्रिंट आंसर. गुड, लेट्स रन दिस नाउ. Let's give 3. Let's see, 0 1 2 3. Yeah, it's running successfully. Let's search for y. I hope it returns 5. 5. Cool. Very nice. Okay. So नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन सा कर सकते हैं कि नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि काफ़ी सारे तो कर लिए हमने. एक काम करते हैं, एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा करते हैं जो हम रेंज में सर्च करेंगे. नथिंग इज न्यू इन दैट, नथिंग इज न्यू, कुछ नहीं है, बस कॉपी पेस्ट है. बस एक रेंज में, मतलब समझो मुझे 34 सर्च करना है, तो 0 2 3 इस रेंज में मेरे को 34 सर्च करना है. सेम टू सेम कोड है, मैं जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट करने वाला हूँ, बस थोड़े से चेंजेस है. change dot, yeah, this was like main. Yeah, so this is it. Will be great developer copies and paste. Yeah, and this and this function. So हमें जीरो से, समझो 0 से 2 के रेंज में हमें 34 को ढूंढना है. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, 0 से 2, तो मुझे स्टार्ट देना पड़ेगा, स्टार्ट इज इक्वल टू 0, और इंटीजर एंड इज इक्वल टू वर्ड 2 तक ढूंढना है मुझे। ठीक है, मैं क्या करूँगा, सर्च में पास करते करते क्या भी पास करूँगा, स्टार्ट और मेरा एंड। ऑब्वियसली मुझे इसमें भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा, लाइक इंटीजर स्टार्ट एंड इंटीजर एंड, और लेंथ 0 होगा तो -1 रिटर्न करेंगे। ओके, इट स्टार्ट और कब तक होगा, लेस देन इक्वल टू एंड तक होगा, फुल, और स्टार्ट प्लस प्लस स्टार्ट फुल, no need to define this again because they are already defined or initialized. Okay, cool. So what it's basically returns, start, yeah, index number is basically return index number, which is 1. I hope so. It's 0. Why? Okay, my target element is 12. That's why it's 0. Let's search about search on 34. Let's see. 1, 34. Search in 1, 0 to 2 range. It's nice. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So let's go to the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बन सकता है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रेंज हो गया, स्ट्रिंग हो गया, हाँ, देन वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन इज find the element in a 2D array. The interesting, okay. So it's not be number. Basically it's a multi-dimensional array. The lecture of array is 2 hours. I uploaded in the past 6 months, uh, before past 6 months, and please go and watch that. So in a 2D array, how to search? Okay, I give the array and I give, please go and watch a previous lecture because that all are too important, and I'm not compromise about the content. मैंने सारे concept clear करके रखे हैं वहाँ पे. Okay, it, let's give the only 3 columns. In an array lecture, I proved that the number of rows are mandatory, but number of columns are not mandatory. Why? Please go and watch that video. You know that. You will know that. How? So, yeah. 8 is like 12 and 89 something. Okay, it's nice. ओके, तो मुझे क्या करना है कि 2D एरे में, जो मेरे 2D एरे है उसमें मेरे को सर्च करना है एक एलिमेंट। तो मैं मुझे कौन सा सर्च करना है, लेट्स सी, मुझे करना है 89, मुझे सर्च करना है। ओके, इज योर टारगेट इज इक्वल टू माई 89, 89 is my target, and let's create a one function, and firstly the call that function and then create. I create a function like search search, I pass that my array and target. Cool. Now I create one. Uh, uh let's do the it more hard. Make it हार्ड. ओके. सो मुझे क्या करना है कि मुझे एक काम करता हूँ कि मैं क्या करता हूँ कि पूरा का पूरा एरे है करता हूँ, रिटर्न करता हूँ. मतलब क्या, अगर मैं रिटर्न क्या करेगा, मतलब इट रिटर्न्स लाइक अ रो एंड कॉलम. इट रिटर्न्स द व्हाट कैन आई से, इट रिटर्न्स द एरे बेसिकली. लाइक search array and what, integer tag, target. Yeah, it returns what, array. So how we do that? आपको सबको पता है कि अगर 2D एरे मुझे देखना पड़ेगा, दो फॉर लूप लगेंगे, एक रो के लिए एक कॉलम के लिए. फर्स्टली मैं रो के लिए बनाऊंगा integer row is equal to 0 and row is less than array dot length. Okay, and row plus plus, and one more loop for column. Integer column is equal to 0, column is less than what, array of row and column plus plus. ठीक है, dot length, sorry, dot length. I will explain you. Firstly I write this code. Okay, तो रो के लिए चेक करना है, if I like something array of row of column will be equal to target, then returns what, return new integer, and what, I want the answer in a format of row and column, which row and which column that number are present, that row comma column. Okay, cool. If that number are not present there, then return new integer of -1 -1. Cool. So what is a new integer? That it's returning the one array. Okay, don't confuse in that. It's returning the one array. And why we you can say, why you not do like this? It will return but it's give you error because the array are not defined. देखो मैंने एरे का सिर्फ डाटा टाइप लिखा है, लेकिन एरे एरे इधर डिफाइन नहीं किया. क्योंकि बताओ जब आपको, क्योंकि मैंने ये एरे जो है वो मैंने इधर क्या किया, सिर्फ उधर से उधर कॉल करने के लिए यूज़ किया. जो मैं एरे उधर डालने वाला हूँ, मतलब जो एरे में रिटर्न करने वाला हूँ, उसका एक नया एरे बनाया, क्योंकि है एरे में उधर रिटर्न करने वाला हूँ. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. इधर 2D एरे में भी इज लाइक न्यू integer, you can also do that, but it is not a mandatory. Why? Because it's already defined. Okay, it's already defined, that's why it is not a mandatory. You can write or not write, it's not effect on your code. So there is a returning a new array, therefore I do like this new integer, that is a 1D array, because I only want to return the index value, number of index value of column and row. So तो मेरे आंसर कौन से डाटा टाइप में सर्च स्टोर होगा, आंसर होगा 1D array में, normal array is, you can say normal array, and want to print answer. Cool. So I hope logic makes sense. And let's see, is it returning something different? I don't know what is wrong in that. Let's see what is wrong in that. Target is 89. Is the search 2D array, target are given, row is less than length, row plus plus, for a column is equal start from 0, column row of length. Also cool. If my row and column is like 0th row and 0th column is equal to target, then return row and column. Code is look okay, but it's giving the wrong answer. Let's try to, okay, I found my mistake. There is dot to string, is dot to string, want to print this. Hmm, Here it is. There is dot to string and the answer. Cool. आपको बताता हूँ क्या हुआ। जब मैं नॉर्मली इसको प्रिंट कर रहा था ना, तो प्रिंट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपको मैंने एरे लेक्चर में भी बताया कि अगर आपको कौन सा एरे प्रिंट करना होगा तो एरेज डॉट टू स्ट्रिंग यूज़ करना पड़ता है। व्हाट इज एरेज डॉट टू स्ट्रिंग? इट go and learn this, like java util dot array. It's imported by the java util dot array, and this is a class contain the various method and manipulating the arrays such as sorting and searching. So this is a inbuilt what class. We learn about the class objects and all in a object oriented programming in a some next lecture. So this is array, this containing class, and this is a method. See, array dot toString is passing the array. This is a one method of this class. Now let's give the right answer. 2 and 4. Let's see it's right or not. It's a 0th index, it's a 1 index, it's a second index, first row column is right, and let's check the column like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth column it's like 89, and our program run perfectly. Why this is given? Because I are printing the array directly, which is a not a good way to print. It's print anything. For printing the array, use array.toString. What is the arrays? Arrays is a class and toString is a method. This is an inbuilt method. Okay, these all are inbuilt in a Java. Okay, I hope it makes sense and it's clear to you. Let's check one more case. For one, let's give the 0 0 0 0. Right, cool, very nice, easy stuff. I hope it is clear to you. Uh, we learn almost all linear search. We learn multiple array. In a range we find, in a string we done. So yeah, yeah, this is for today. Thank you so much for watching.